Hello everyone, my name is Arjun Sudham Potarkar and my seminar topic is Nucleotides and Nucleosides. Part first Introduction. Introduction to nucleotides and nucleic acid. Nucleotides have a variety of roles in cellular metabolism. They are also constituent of the nucleic acid, deoxyribonucleic acid, DNA, and ribonucleic acid, RNA. The amino acid sequence of every protein in a cell and the nucleotide sequence of every RNA is specified by the nucleotide sequence in genomic DNA. Segments of DNA specifying the synthesis of a functional protein or RNA product are called genes. Second part, structure of nucleotide. Basically, nucleotide is composed of three parts, that is nitrogenous base, pentose sugar, phosphate group. Nucleoside, the molecule without a phosphate group, is called as nucleoside. That means nucleoside contains only nitrogenous base and pentose sugar and absence of phosphate group. Here is the structure of nucleotide: phosphate group, pentose sugar, and nitrogenous base. Nitrogenous base. The nitrogenous bases are derivatives of pyrimidine and purine. The difference in heredity among the species is determined by the sequence of the bases in DNA. DNA has four bases, that is adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. RNA also contains four bases, that three adenine, guanine, and cytosine are same as those in DNA, but the fourth base in RNA is uracil instead of thymine. Then nitrogenous bases, basically they are main two types, purines and pyrimidines. Purines are of two types, that is adenine, guanine, and pyrimidines are of three types, cytosine, thymine, and uracil. Important point is that in both DNA and RNA, one of the pyrimidine, that is cytosine, is same in DNA and RNA, but the second pyrimidine is not same because thymine is present in DNA whereas uracil is present in RNA. Next part, why uracil is not present in DNA? The reason is that DNA uses thymine instead of uracil because thymine has greater resistance to photochemical mutation, making the genetic message more stable. Outside of the nucleus, thymine is quickly destroyed. Uracil is resistant to oxidation and used in the RNA that must exit outside of the nucleus. This is the reason that uracil is not present in DNA. There are structure of purine and pyrimidines, adenine, guanine. These are purines and pyrimidines, cytosine, thymine, and uracil. Pentose sugar. Nucleic acid have two kinds of pentoses. The recurring deoxyribonucleotide units of DNA contains